The news you've been waiting for, the Beyond Photography YouTube channel exclusive memberships. We have 3 levels for you to choose. Level 1 membership, you're gonna get exclusive video lessons just for you. These lessons will not be found in our normal YouTube channel wall. These are video lessons that cover topics like photography, camera settings, flash, portraits, products, you name it, we have them all. And then we have the Level 2 membership. What's cool about Level 2? You get all the video lessons that you get with Level 1 plus exclusive live sessions, CNC sessions. You can ask me questions, submit photos to me where I review them and also answers any questions that you have. That's Level 2. And then we have the Level 3 membership. This membership is so cool, it covers all the perks of Level 1 and Level 2. And let me promise you this, to be good in photography, you gotta work together with a pro. And with that idea in mind, you're gonna get exclusive Shoot with Andrew live streaming session where you're gonna be seeing me how I shoot, what mistakes I make, and immediately see the photos, and you can even shoot with me if you turn your camera on. That's how cool Level 3 is. And there you have it. I hope you support this channel like how you've always been supporting our YouTube channel, and I look forward to have you as our exclusive member. So choose 1, 2, and 3.